know if you guys can hear that sound coming from over here, but guessing it was all frogs. Huh.